Ricardo and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course today guys I'm going to show you 4 tips with the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus or S9 using the latest Android 9.0. And as you can see here, we just activated night mode, and night mode actually allows the menus or backgrounds of menus such as the settings menu here to turn to black. You can also go to settings display as seen here, and you'll find the option night mode, or you can actually use the quick toggle method. As you can see too, the background is turned to white. The white can be left for normal mode and the black for night, as it's easier on the eyes. In my opinion, the black actually looks better and it actually saves a lot of battery. Alright, so in case you miss it, just go down to display in settings and then again turn off night mode. And this is a brand new feature that's built into Android 9.0 as a part of the One UI. Right, and it is the latest version of the interface from Samsung, which will replace TouchWiz. Alright, so that's the first tip. Now the second tip is navigation bar. As you can see here, once you activate the option for navigation bar, as you look down here, you notice the navigation bar is missing, but you do notice 3 icons all the way at the bottom. So just go to quick toggles, go over to navigation bar, and as you can see there, if I tap, the normal navigation buttons will return. And of course that's home, back, and recent menus. So once again, let's come in here and actually swipe over and go over to top navigation bar, and it will be minimized. And the buttons are actually there, but they're minimized. So simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen, and as you can see, the minimize option or the recent menu option still is active, but now they're actually just minimized. All right, works quite nicely and a cool feature most users should find handy. Alright, so you can just go ahead and leave it in whichever mode you prefer. As for me, I rather these be visible. Alright, so that feature is a brand new feature, and I think one of the most noticeable. And again, the recent apps menu, you can actually see their icons at the base here for recent apps or apps that you use the most. So that's another bonus tip right there. And if you pinch or tap and hold on the home screen and go to home screen settings, you'll see this new option that says lock home screen layout, which is another new feature. As you see here, once you do that, you'll be unable to adjust icons on the home screen. Great if, for example, your home screen is always getting messed up. As you can see, once it's locked, it says that you cannot move the icons, and that's another new feature. Long press, go to home screen settings, and of course you can toggle the option off or on for locking the home screen. And if you do want to move your icons once again or rearrange them, you can just simply turn the feature off, and then as you can see, you can move the icons around or move them to the perfect position that you want them in. And you can always pinch or just press and hold on the home screen and it should work fine. Alright, the next tip is involving gallery, and there's now a new trash feature. So as you hit on the 3 dots upper right and go to settings and hit trash, you see that the trash is now an option. So all items that are deleted will go directly to the trash, and inside of the trash right here you can see anything that's deleted. And if you actually take a picture and delete it, you'll notice that instead of being deleted, it actually says it goes to the trash, and that's where you can actually locate the trash. Alright guys, it's Carter from Blog Tech Tips. We're going to set a quick tips showing you some new features on the Samsung Galaxy S9 running Android 9.